Yo, what's going on, fellas? Daily Crypto here. Not gonna give you a long introduction on this video. Right now we're looking at Bitcoin. This is the 1 minute time frame. Let me pull out into the daily. So in my last video we talked about trade. Let me actually go back to the last chart we had. In my last video we talked about trading this consolidation range as long as it was a valid consolidation range. We had projected these ranges from these highs and these lows, giving us a sort of sideways channel where we wanted to long up from the bottom and short down from the top. However, this channel's just been invalidated. We have this huge price swing that breakout, and it seems to have found support over a previous downtrend resistance line. So this is where we were looking to target some good entries here. Let me draw that line back over on this chart as well. So you can see on a little bit more simple chart, we connect these up to the wicks now. So here, this value is stemming from this wick and this wick. And now look, we have this clean support touch outside of this downtrend, descending downtrending line. Here it fell all the way through to the bottom of the support zone we had highlighted. Now we're touching the top of that support zone and this downtrending wedge line. So this is technically the retest of the outbreak. So we have this outbreak of this downtrend now, huge swing up, weeks of downtrend potential for the retest. Here was the first retest. Looks like we're going to get a positive retest. So getting back into our smaller time frames now, we can see that the 1 hour has checked this for support. We have a bullish pin bar. Now it's not to say that price won't go down any lower. As we can see, we still have the bottom of this support zone to explore down to the 40,800 range. And of course, you could always go lower than that, retesting this downtrend line, retesting this previous uptrend line. But for right now, I think this is the area we're going to be playing. Probably going to see a bit of a small upward move as 9 EMA approaches back to this, and then maybe another downward burst, trying to make a quick profit on this. So I'm already down a little bit from my, should probably just go ahead and take profits. I bought this off the 1 minute time frame, so I wanted to get in on a good, potentially the best entry, to see if I could buy in just around here, around that support touch. As the price does not come back down here, I've got a stellar entry for the ride to come, for the ride ahead. And I was looking here at the 5 minute time frame as well, which is what prompted me to be confident in this entry, as I noticed 5 minute divergence. Now, sometimes whenever we're looking at divergence, it's possible that it's a false signal. But in my experience, I'm very comfortable with taking trades based off of divergence. So now I'm in this trade and I'm looking to see how far up I can ride it. Potentially, if I can get all the way back up to this former ascending trend line, then that's an easy payday for me. 4% pre-leverage. I've got 25x leverage on it. So looking at 100% return if I can get back to that area. And then even some of these other resistance points as price could potentially turn around here somewhere soon. But again, I'm not outruling the fact that price might come down into this level. Although we do have a divergence signal, I'll be wary when price starts to approach my entry. That way I will try to take at least some profits off the table and chart a better entry for my long opportunity. Because if I truly think price is going to come down more, I will be buying this retest for a short. Right now, if you're looking at this and you think that we're going into a larger bear trend, then you should be trying to short this down to the bottom of this range. I might be closing my profits, my trade for profits before I'm even done recording this video. I don't know. I'm always trying to see what I got going on in the market, and this is what I got going on right now. So this is the opportunity I've taken. As you can see, the 5 minute divergence I just plotted also lines up pretty closely on the 1 minute time frame, which makes it pretty valid to me. Again, that's why I decided to take the long right there when I did. And one more time, if price starts to come down this way, I am going to close that position. But right now, I'm trying to ride this up for an optimal entry. If it's an invalid entry, like I said, I'm going to close this trade whenever I get closer to my entry price so I can secure at least some profits, not ride it into a loss, and then wait to see if we pass that divergence level again. Maybe I can get another good entry that will assure me a better place for the potential that this is going to reverse in trend. Alright, so that's what's going on in BTC right now. And one more time, just so you can see, this is a live trade. Here's my entry. Let me open it up there so you can see exactly where my entry is. So, yep, bought off that divergence indicator. I was a little bit late to enter that divergence, honestly. Like 1% late, but still in at a good spot, still riding up. Here is the 1 minute 950, or I'm sorry, 926 EMA crossover. So buying this retest here isn't a bad idea. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'll let you guys know how this trade went. See, here's my take profit. I'm looking for a small, I think I have mapped on here 3% take profit goal. Yeah, 30% take profit goal. So that is TP1 44556. I might adjust that up if the trade continues to go well. I don't know. That's part of being a dynamic trader. Just sharing with you guys what we got going on right now. Saw Bitcoin take a dive. Want to let you guys know what's going on. And we're looking at a solid support zone. So this is where we're going to be trying to find support first. If it's not found here, again, then we can start to, unfortunately, if it's not found here in this region, then we're going to have to try and target some of these other areas. However, this does look like a pretty strong support resistance roll flip area. So let's see how it goes over the next few days, and I'll update you guys whenever I can, whenever we have something going on. Thanks for watching.